From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Good Monday morning, folks. Ben Luna here with you in the Home Weather Center, wishing you a fantastic Monday as you check out your local forecast, made possible this morning by our friends down at Arctic Air Heating and Air Conditioning. Now, many of you will find this week the transition between the heater and back to the AC, as we've got a warming trend that's going to be on the way that will take temperatures well back into the mid-60s by the mid and latter portion of the week. However, in doing so, we'll usher in a chance for, you guessed it, thunderstorms and possibly some rocky weather across the area. I think we're looking at a potential for some flooding with the amount of water that we'll see collected over the next few days, in addition to all of that snow and ice that's going to be melting off as we head through the course of today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So we'll cover all of that and more right here in this Monday morning, a weather update. So let's hop right into it. Satellite radar there next to me over the past 24 hours showing high pressure over the Appalachians. That high is going to be working its way out of our region, and therefore its effects will be lessening and clouds will be on the increase as we head through the course of the day. Here's Futurecast showing temperatures starting out on the chilly side, but quickly warming well enough above freezing by the mid-morning hours, and then finally well above freezing into the afternoon, with daytime highs returning to the 40s for the first time in several days. Now, notice the cloud coverage building in. We've got a storm system that's going to be rolling into the area, and that's going to be a good old-fashioned rain soaker here as we move through the late night hours of tonight and early Tuesday morning. Now, at times, some of that precip could be more on the steady, moderate side, and then some light scattered areas of rain here. And then for the rest of Tuesday, we're going to maintain seeing just on-again, off-again rain. Now, that storm system aside, here comes another round of shower and storm activity. This is going to be rolling in here as we look ahead to your Wednesday. Showers and storms will be likely as we look ahead through Wednesday afternoon and evening, and then more rainfall will spill over into Thursday and Friday. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, keep in mind, this is not, what you're looking at does not take into an account the amount of snow and ice that's collected across the area. Now, all that is in the process of melting, which is wonderful, well and good, but that's got to go somewhere, and that's going to soak into the ground, make the ground good and moist, and then also that's going to be filling up the streams across the area. Normally, that's not a bad thing, especially since we've been in such a big mode of drought over the past several months. But slam on the brakes. Here comes a storm system or two that's going to be bringing in a lot of rainfall to the area. And back to back, I think we're looking at some issues that we'll have to contend with as we move toward the mid and latter portion of the week. Here's the GFS rainfall totals, and again, these numbers will very likely change, but I just wanted to give you the heads up by showing you this data, again, to give you an idea of what we could be looking at over the course of the next 72 hours. By midday on Wednesday, we've got just under an inch of rainfall or so, just almost 0.2 of an inch in Lawrenceburg, about the same for folks across the Shoals area, just over half an inch in the Wayne County area, and just under 1/4 of an inch for folks over in Giles County. Those numbers significantly increase as we move through Thursday. And again, these numbers will change a bit as we get closer in, but if this holds even remotely true, just go ahead and get ready to hop out of the deep freeze and into the swimming pool in the backyard, because things are going to get really, really wet around here as we move into that latter portion of the week. All right, we'll be watching that for you, and we'll keep you updated on how that evolves. Here is your Parks Lumber Day Builder forecast. Temperatures on the increase as we head through today. And if you think this is warm, just get ready till you see the 7-day. We'll be in the mid-40s across the area by the end of this afternoon. And here's a check on the next 7 fresh from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. And again, we're seeing a lot of shower activity this week. On and off rain here for your Tuesday. Showers and storms back with us for Wednesday, Thursday, and showers here for Friday and even into Saturday, and that's the why not. Sunday we clear out, but we also cool off. Models are trending us being slightly cooler again as we move into next week. So a lot of weather to talk about over the course of the next few days. Stay with us. You thought last week was busy. This one's going to be busy too, unfortunately. This time it won't be frozen, though. Kelly is back here at noon today. Fred Gossage at 5 on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. Until then, have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon.